What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you're sleeping on XSPA, you are missing one of the most stacked Web3 platforms built on Solana. We're talking secure asset management, a lightning fast wallet, Gamify, a prepaid card on the way, and it's already trading live on Bitmart. Let's dive in. Alright guys, this one is already live on both iOS and Android. You can grab it from the App Store or Google Play, and honestly, it's one of the cleanest and smoothest wallet setups I've seen drop recently. So here is the deal. As you know, crypto wallets were supposed to simplify everything, but most of them end up crashing, freezing mid-transactions, or charging random fees that pop out of nowhere. Swapping tokens across chains nowadays feels more like solving a puzzle than using a wallet. And that's exactly where XSPA wallet flips the whole script. It's designed to be simple, fast, borderless, and secure. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're managing a stack of Web3 assets. As you can see, guys, signing up takes literally seconds, as all you have to do is register with your Google or email, set a PIN, and you are in. There is no 12 or 24 word seed phrases. There is no confusing steps. This is just clean access right from the jump. Download the app, install it, and boom, you are all done. And once you're inside, the interface is exactly how it should be. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's fully organized. You've got all your major assets in one place. Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Bitcoin, literally everything right there on the dashboard. You can send and receive crypto instantly. You can swap tokens cross-chain with zero headaches, and you can even buy popular digital assets directly through the app in just a few taps. It's fast, it's seamless, and it's made for real users who do not want to deal with broken UX. On top of that, guys, this thing is global and borderless, which means that you can manage your crypto literally anytime and anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're transferring tokens internationally or you're just making everyday transactions, because everything is secure and low cost. And when I say secure, I mean advanced protection on literally every transaction, so your funds are locked down and safe. Now guys, if you're deep in this game, you're definitely gonna love this. XSPA supports up to 50 wallets under one account. So if you're holding multiple bags or you're managing across chains, you're fully covered. And for more casual users or early explorers, the watchlist feature is super useful because you can track all your favorite tokens without juggling multiple logins. As you can see, the whole design is intentionally simple and user-friendly, so whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned Dagon, it just flows. And on top of all of this, guys, it's also Web3 ready, so it's definitely not just a wallet. This is your gateway into decentralized finance and the broader crypto ecosystem. From buying crypto to making global payments or swapping on chain, this wallet gives you full control of your digital assets minus the whole nonsense. And here is something you definitely want on your radar. XSPA has its own native token, the XSPA token. Holding it comes with future benefits, so if you're already testing the wallet, keep an eye on the token side too, because this could play a major role in everything they're building next. That would be it for today's video, guys. As you can see, this one checks literally all the boxes. It's fully secure, it's smooth, it's beginner friendly, and it's Dagon approved. Go check it out for yourself, download the app, run it through your own flow, and make sure to follow their socials for updates, drops, and everything coming next in the XSPA ecosystem. Smash that like if you're feeling the project, sub if you're new here, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.